Thomas and Friends Trackmaster Adventures, Episode 5, The Overhaul. Once, there was an engine whose name was Theo, and he had two other friends with him. Their names were Lexi and Merlin. They had two other friends, but however, they worked at the steelworks. Lexi, Merlin, and Theo had been away for a while after a severe accident with Theo had been caused. Back at the steelworks, Theo was hurt, and he had to be sent to a shed for repairs. However, this made Merlin and Lexi worried, as well as Frankie and Hurricane. What are we going to do, Lexi? You can't just sit there and watch him all day. Something needs to be done. Yeah, I know, said Lexi. That accident was very severe. We need to get him repaired. Get him repaired? We can help you with that, came a voice. Who are you both? Asked Lexi. My name is Boko. I'm a kind diesel. So am I, said the purple diesel. His name was Splatter. Just so you know that we're gonna get some spare parts. Do you want us to bring them here? Yeah. But if we do take him for repairs, we're not gonna hurt him or anything. We're just gonna bring him to the steelworks, okay? Theo? Yeah? May I? If you go to the steelworks, may I go with you? Of course. And I can come too if you want, said Merlin. And Frankie and Hurricane will be there. I will let them know in case we're going. Okay, said Theo. I can do that. So they called Harvey. So Harvey came over. And Theo was lifted onto the flatbed and put on the flatbed. Okay, said Splatter. We'll be taking him. You make sure you alert Frankie and Hurricane that he's going to get to go to the works. Okay, said Merlin. Thanks for letting us, Spider and Dodge. Thank you too, Harvey. Oh, you're welcome, said Harvey. It's nothing. Just what I do. My job. Yep, said Boko. Bye, guys. Bye, everybody. See you later, Theo. You too, everyone. You too, you guys, said Theo. And Spider and Boko rolled away with Theo in tow. Well, we must go alert Frankie and Hurricane. And Lexi and Merlin raced off. And Harvey raced away as well. But however, when they raced away, they didn't notice the number 0 tank engine. Timothy. I must go warn the boss about this overhaul. And Timothy rolled away. Once Timothy got back to his friends, guys, said Timothy, everybody, listen up. There's Theo, the experimental engine, getting an overhaul soon. Really, said Star, tell us all about it. So, he had an accident recently, and we were the ones that caused that accident. Yeah, said everyone. So what are we gonna do now? Asked Shedward. This means we should all we're all going to raid the steamworks while Theo is there. Haha, said Tornado. What are we gonna do when we get Theo? We'll take him to our lair and prepare to execute him. That's a good idea, said Dave. I like it, said the two bullet trains. Okay, said Timothy. Let's all set to work. Let's move out. And they all raced, and all the villain engines raced away in a cloud of dust. Everybody raced away in a cloud of dust. They zoomed off. Hold up, called Timothy. And all the engines suddenly stopped and reversed. All the engines reversed back to their positions. What is it? Asked Star. I know, some of us will go. Some of us will raid the Steamworks. So, Gersie, you will go with me. And who else wants to go? Okay, Star. And one more. I can take one more. Okay, Robbie. We can do this all. Alright, time to go. Time to go, you guys, said Timothy. Zero. Number 0, tank engine. Let's move out. And the 4 raced out. Do you think they'll succeed? Asked Dave. Who knows, said Tornado. They raced away. At the Steamworks, Theo was waiting. BU and Sam, will the parts come? Oh, they're here, said BU. And BU shunted them into the middle of the turntable. The turntable began to turn around. All right, said Sam. So the men at the works began putting the parts in Theo and redoing him and giving him an overhaul. When the 3 heard voices, there it is! Who said that? Said Theo. I don't know, I don't recognize that voice, said BU. I should investigate, said Sam. And he immediately took the car. The turntable was turned around once again. I better go investigate, said BU. And he raced away. What are you four doing here? We're here to kidnap Theo. Said BU. You are not gonna kidnap Theo. You understand me? Let us in or we will scrap you. That's it. You asked for it, said BU. Yeah! Wah! Ah! cried Star and Robbie. They raced away. Hey, get back here, you both, said Gersie. Oh, yeah. Hey, what the heck was that for? Asked Star. I don't care. Let's get out. Run! And they raced away down the line. And so they began to race away down the line. That's what I thought, said BU. And he hurried back in. Don't worry, Theo. Whoever did that is gone. Don't worry. Oh, good, said Theo. Until the overhaul continued. A few days later, everybody came to the Steamworks. Alright, everybody, said BU. I present to you all the redone version of Theo. And the crane lowered Theo to the ground, and then turned his knob. Yep, he's coming down, just so you know, you guys. Then Theo was let out of the hoist. Hey everyone, said Theo. Look at me. Notice anything different about me? Wow, you look very nice, Theo, said Thomas. Thanks, Thomas. I look different, don't I? You sure do, said James. What's your name? Asked Gina. My name is Theo. You're Gina, right? I'm Gina, this is Lorenzo, and that's Pepe over there. Ciao. What does that mean? That means hello in Italian, said Thomas. You look very nice, Theo, said Hurricane. I agree, said Frankie. Oh, you look so good, Theo, said Lexi. I agree, said Merlin. And so everybody was happy to see how Theo looked. Do you want to see me? Do you want to take a closer look at me? Asked Theo. Of course, said Thomas. Go right ahead. And so Theo did. He rolled onto the turntable. He rolled onto the turntable. I look very nice. We're all happy, said everybody. Well, Theo, we're glad you've got an overhaul. Yeah, said James. You look very nice now. Guess what? Watch this. Your trackmaster can make noise, said Thomas. Yep, that's what I was upgraded with. I hope you all like it, said Theo. We do, cheered everybody. The end. We actually failed to get Theo. Oh, really? Said Dave. Yeah, said Gersie. Oh, this is great, said Diesel. How are we gonna get Theo now? I know, said Tornado. Let's attack the whole Sodor and claim it ours. Yeah, cheered everybody. Chanted everybody. Let's all do this and to get revenge on Sodor. Yeah, let's all do this.